I think it's on, Uncle Al. They're going blind and nuts. Lord. Anyway, hi kids. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I wish, or Uncle Al, or AK Diebulfrog79, I wish people would watch my other video more, but I have to do it the best I can, so we're using natural light today and the desktop lamp. I did put a sheet of paper on it. Yeah, you use a lot of cheap stuff, Uncle Al. You're poor. No, thrifty. Okay. Now I had a student of mine says, why don't I wave my knives around? Well, I did that in the first couple of videos to attract people's attention. They look scary, Uncle Al. I might be triggered. You might be gutted. Okay, never mind. Okay, enough of the comedy. Today's Constitution Day. Please watch Palmetto Prepared, Anthony's channel on the Constitution. I know other things too, Anthony, about our founding fathers that a lot of people will find very upsetting, including Franklin. God, what a party animal. How many little bastards did he leave behind? Scientist, inventor, politician, ambassador. He did a lot of things. Also, he was one of the robber barons of his time, too. He was independently wealthy, and also he put a lien against the early United States, which Anthony forgot to mention to a lot of people. When Benjamin Franklin died, we still owe him $100,000, which was really big money back then. Okay. Now, I can't figure out this, okay? This is a simple blackout kit. I showed you in a previous video. I had several of my students, some even paid me off yesterday. Thank you for the money. How can you screw this up? It's in a mesh bag. It's a blackout kit. You put it in a Faraday cage. Only thing it doesn't have is extra batteries and a radio. Okay? Basically, what I went over this earlier. It has a disposable chem light. This is used when everything's pitch black and you can't see nothing. Okay, that's easy as pie. And it only cost $1. Okay? Bic lighter. Not expensive. A pack of emergency candles. Okay, less than $1. How can you screw up that one? A simple lamp. There's a two-way, so you got flashlight and a lamp. And this one's stronger than my usual lamp. Let me open this up a little bit. I've been testing it. Oops. I dropped something. Always I'm going up this dropping stuff. Getting old, kids. Oh boy, tired. Okay, you got your little lantern. $4.99. It's a knockoff of the Vote. Only difference is in construction of materials. There's other versions of this, range from $4 to $9, $5, $6, all throughout the discount stores. And I haven't changed the battery. It's been about a week and a half. Works really good, kids. Ain't bright. This one's really bright. I think Cheryl showed you in the last video. See how bright that is? That's real bright. Okay. This one I checked with my meters. It's bright, but not that bright. It's like a soft glow. A simple, inexpensive, non-tactical flashlight. Now, I can get tactical flashlights, but seriously, you don't need it. And yes, you get a headband with this. And it works good and what I need it for. And I tell a lot of people that I don't see in their Blackout kids is a headlamp. Okay, you can pick these up on sale under $5 if you know where to shop. It doesn't have to be a strong headlamp. Something you can put on your head so at night you can see things. Excuse me. A mesh bag, less than $1. How hard is that? Simple Blackout kit. Now everybody's been using their phones and stuff. I know Panic D did. Yes, I did get a Coleman water container. It's a classic European style canteen. You could tell it's kind of British, European. And I got the correct plastic. It's not good as my Nalgene, but it's one of my backup canteens that I hide. I do take it out, clean it out, and test it for a while. Okay, now, I did mention the Constitution in Anthony's channel. Please check that out. Democrats are really going full-blown on wiping out the Second Amendment and putting all these sneaky laws in town. So please stop them now. Also, the evil House Republicans that are switching sides or retiring, stop them now. Now, a lot of people say, but Uncle Al, please don't do politics on your channel. You're right. We are going into, a fascist state, but wrong kind of fascist. It's more like going to be what they have in Venezuela. But nobody ever listens to Uncle Al, and it's part of the great game. So I don't mention it too often. Now, this is important for you people in the heat belts. Remember, we have the cold belt and the heat belt, and this is called cooking in the sun. Okay, now, I met the authors in 1992 at the University of Pacific. That's 1992 when we had the International Solar Cooking Day, and we were discussing certain things on cooking. And yes, it does do very well with vegetarian meals. I'll put that one over there. And I've got to be careful because the doctor, I got to go to another doctor tomorrow, see what the hell's wrong with me, because they're afraid that I might go and die. And still, people don't watch my videos up to 40 views. I just need 3 more for my last one, but nobody watches it. Now this one, back to the main subject, is for Gavin of GM Survival and Happy Prepper. You have to read the classic Robinson Crusoe. This is the children's version. I read the adult version of Robinson Crusoe. That'll put hair on your chest, okay? That's one of my favorites. I read that to my grandnephews. And my other one is Treasure Island. Now, everybody in my family think I'm close to Long John Silver. Yes, I do have a sword, and yes, I use a cane or a crutch sometimes. But do I look like a pirate? No, Uncle Alan's a nice person. Okay? Yes, I know how to use a sword because anybody's coming at me with machete is going to have 36 to 32 inches of sharpened steel to face. And you can't stab with a machete, no matter how hard you tried. Okay, kids? Now, Uncle Alan, yeah, I kind of sound like the sea cook, a.k.a. Long John Silver. Long John Silver was a, whatchamacallit? I can't remember, but he was second command to one of the pirate crews, and they did a HBO, I think, Black Sails or something. Go check that out. And yeah, pirates were pretty ferocious, and also some of them were fairly smart. They weren't screwing around. Now you had stupid pirates who never become governor, who never retired, and was drunken, freewheeling buccaneers, and most of them got hung. Excuse me. I'm trying to keep this short because I know nobody ever watches past more than 4 minutes on your stupid cell phones or the smartphones. Anyway, a lot of them made riches quick, spended it fast, and die horribly. Okay, now I did cover the books, and I did cover everything else, and still can't believe a lot of people screw up on the Blackout kit. You know, what can I do? I like to teach people, but unfortunately people think Uncle Alan's wearing black again. Navy blue, dark blue. Not black, kids. Anyway, Uncle Alan's is tired, so I'll catch you later. Bye, honey. Bye. I'm honey. Bye, kids. I can't say the word, can I? No. Okay. Bye, folks.